Hey guys, welcome to your love reading for Aries. This is going to be for February 2022, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. We're going to take a look at your overall energies regarding love and the person that you are connecting with. And then we will take a look at your person to see what their current true feelings and intentions are towards you. And then we'll finish off the read with the possible outcome and advice to see what else you guys need to know. So apply this to your own unique situation, switch the rules if you want. Keep in mind that these are general messages. Take what resonates, leave the rest behind. If this message didn't resonate, take a look at your other placements. If you guys haven't done so yet, hit the subscription button and the notification bell so that you guys get notified on when my new videos post. Give this video a thumbs up. Like this video so that this message can circulate around to the individuals that need to hear this. Share this video with someone if you feel like there's someone out there that you know that needs to hear this. And leave a comment down in the comment section below if this message resonates. And for those of you guys that are interested in booking a private personal reading with me, the link is in the description box below. All right, so let's get started, Aries. Over energies for Aries. What is surrounding Aries? What does Aries need to know? What can Aries expect regarding love and the person that they are connecting with? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs for February 2022. Let's get one more. Okay, so we have the Emperor and the Lovers, Aries energy, Gemini energy. There you are right there with the Aries, with the Emperor there, Aries. Okay, so we have the Three of Swords and the Hierophant, Taurus energy. All right, could be dealing with a Taurus. You might have Taurus in your chart. Could be dealing with another Aries. And then we have the Strength card, Leo energy, and the Five of Swords. I don't know. I feel like there's a relationship that didn't work out, okay? I don't know if there was like the battle of the egos or something like that, or someone here was just playing a lot of games. Could be a thing where, you know, you could have started a new relationship with somebody, or that, you know, you've been seeing someone, but with the Three of Swords here, I feel like you might not have healed from a prior situation that you were in, okay? I don't know. I feel like, you know, with the Strength card and the Five of Swords, so, I mean, you could be in your head about this, or someone else could be in their head about this, sort of like, you know, right now, you just don't have the courage or the energy to, you know, move forward in the connection here. Let's see, tell me about the Emperor. Knight of Swords in the reverse. As I was saying, yeah, it's like, you know, I feel like you want new love, okay? You might be dating, you know, several people at once, just perhaps meeting new people, just checking to see what's out there. But right now, Aries, I feel like you might not be in this energy of being ready for love or ready to pursue it. If someone here is pursuing you, you're not ready for it. The Lovers. So Libra, Aquarius, Gemini energy could be dealing with the air sign here, or that you might have air in your chart. We have the High Priestess, Cancer, Pisces energy. You know, I feel like you're ready for, you know, a love connection that is on a very high vibration, high consciousness. Because I feel like you've been hurt in the past by dealing with low conscious individuals, or people just are just not very self-aware, or just have trouble doing the right thing. Three of Swords. Yeah, we have the Tower here. You're still healing from this, okay? You're still healing from some sort of Tower moment that has happened in the past here. I mean, this could happen. This could have happened pretty recently. So just apply this to your own unique situation. Like I said, could be dealing with another Aries or a Scorpio here. We have the Four of Wands. Yeah, like I said, it seems like a relationship didn't work out. Okay. I mean, you could have had very high hopes for this. You could have been married to this person. Doesn't necessarily have to be. It could have been just you guys had, you know, higher levels of commitment, a long-term arrangement here. Strength. Could have been dealing with the twin flame. We have the Four of Pentacles in the reverse. You know, I feel like whatever you did for this person, it was never enough. And I feel like this person always wanted more, okay? Even though if this person asked for more, I feel like this person, for this person, it was just never enough. Five of Swords, it could have been other people involved here. Six of Pentacles, I do feel like there were a bit of mind games here. I do feel like there was breadcrumbing. We have the Devil on the bottom of the deck, Capricorn energy. I feel like you went through an awakening where you were sort of like, you know, I feel like you were aware that this could have been a toxic situation, but I feel like you were pushing it away for a while. And I feel like you were, you know, sweeping it under the rug. But I feel like you're finally accepting the truth that this was a situation that you're in and that it was not healthy for you. And I feel like you're trying to heal from that. Let's see what else we have here. Tell me about the person that Aries is dealing with here. What are their true feelings and intentions towards Aries? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs for February 2022. Okay, wow. Okay. So we have the Chariot in the reverse, Cancer energy, could be dealing with the Cancer here. And then we have the Nine of Pentacles in the reverse, Virgo energy, pre-Empress energy right here. So I feel like you were dealing with someone here who was incredibly codependent. Someone here who lacked a lot of independence. I feel like someone here needed to be tended to all the time. I'm not even saying that right. They just needed a lot of attention, okay? Like I said, even though if you gave this person what they wanted, it was still never enough. We have the World and the Four of Cups. And then we have the Ace of Wands and the Ten of Swords. So I feel like this person was looking for a lot of attention elsewhere. And I feel like this person betrayed you by doing that, okay? I mean, this was pretty painful. And I feel like this person kept doing this over and over again. You know, I do feel like maybe this person could have traveled a lot and this person might have met people that way. I do feel like this person gets really bored very easily. I do feel like with the Chariot in the reverse, this person's life is kind of out of balance, out of whack here. Just the complete total opposite of you, Aries, with that Emperor energy. I mean, that's a very controlled energy. That's an energy where everything is tidy, you know? You kind of have things in order, there's structure and everything. And this person's all over the place. Chariot in the reverse. And the Eight of Wands in the reverse. I feel like when you're with this person, there was just a lack of forward movement. The communication wasn't really that great either. Nine of Pentacles in the reverse. We have the Page of Wands. It kind of fell out like this, but I'm going to take it in the reverse, okay? I feel like this individual, you know, threw a lot of temper tantrums. I feel like this person was a very angry individual, okay? This person was upset all the time. The World. Could be dealing with another Aries here, or Leo or Sagittarius. The Queen of Swords. Libra, Aquarius, Gemini could be dealing with someone who has heavy air in their chart. We're seeing that a few times here. Four of Cups. Oh. We have the Seven of Cups. Yeah, this person just kept looking for other options. And I feel like this person did that behind your back. I feel like this person traveled a lot, okay? You know, not that you can't travel alone when you're in a relationship, but I just feel like this person hid a lot of stuff from you and was doing a lot of stuff behind your back. Okay, it just seemed like this person, even though they got all of this attention and they found all these options, it was still never enough. Ace of Wands. We have the Nine of Swords in the reverse here. I feel like this person is very sexual, and I feel like this person looked, if they didn't get the sex with you, they were looking for sex elsewhere to relieve their anxiety and their stress or depression or something like that. Ten of Swords. I feel like a lot of things really bothered this individual. Yeah, it could be anything. I feel like anything would set this person off. And then we have the Justice card with the Ten of Swords. You know, I feel like this is something that this person's gonna, you know, this is self-inflicting karma that this person's creating for themselves. You know, I feel like there's this energy of this, this person hasn't been able to have any sort of successful relationship. I feel like this Queen of Pentacles should be in the reverse and that Six of Swords should be in the reverse, because I just feel like this person comes from a place of lack, this feminine energy. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Outcome and advice for Aries regarding their love situation. What else does Aries need to know? What can Aries expect for February 2022? What else does Aries need to know regarding their love situation here? You know, whoever this is, I feel like this is a past person, okay? I do feel like this person might keep you in the back burner just in case. Is this person coming back per se? No, I don't think so. Yeah, I just feel like you're just way behind this, you know, you're done with this person. I just don't think, you know, you're ready for a new relationship because you're healing here. I see that you're meeting new people. You're kind of keeping your options open in a way, but you're just not ready. We have the King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, we have the Ten of Wands here. So I feel like moving forward for the rest of the month and onward, I feel like you're trying to work on releasing your burdens here. You know, I do feel like you miss this person, and I feel like you miss being with them. And I feel like, you know, by not being with them, your emotions are just really overwhelmed, or that you're overwhelmed with your emotions, okay? One more. Okay. We do have some true pairs here, by the way, okay? We have the King of Cups, Queen of Cups, King of Pentacles to Queen of Pentacles. All right, we have the Queen of Swords, no, Queen of Wands. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sag. And the Queen of Cups here. You know, this person could be bisexual or into the same sex or something like that too. We have the Hangman and the King of Pentacles. Yeah, you know, you're just taking a step back. Yeah, you're just doing the work to heal. Yeah, whoever this queen is, I just feel like this queen is just continuing, or this pre-empress here is just gonna continue doing what they're doing. I just feel like there's no contact with this individual here. King of Cups. Oh, King of Cups and the Ace of Swords. Yeah, you're definitely going through some sort of awakening here, Aries. What else do we have? Ten of Wands. Oh, Ten of Wands and the King of Swords. Okay, so we have some pairs, like I said, King of Swords, Queen of Swords, King of Cups, Queen of Cups, King of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles. I don't think we saw the Empress. Yeah, okay, let's see. Queen of Wands. We got the Eight of Wands here. I just don't feel like the communication is going to happen anytime soon, okay? There's no communication here. I don't even think this queen is going to reach out. Queen of Cups. Or you're not going to reach out to this queen. We got the Magician here. Gemini, Virgo. I mean, this person could be, you know, gathering their resources or whatever that may be. You know, this person might be manifesting something new for themselves here, or trying to manifest you back, whatever that may be. I'm not really feeling that though, but I feel like this person is more focused on their selfish needs here. Six of Swords and the Hangman. Yeah, so you're going to be moving on from this, okay? You're going to be moving on from the past. Six of Swords with the Hangman. Six of Cups with the King of Pentacles. Yeah, there's this energy of really raising your vibration here. Yeah, I just feel like, you know, this is what you want here. And maybe you're speaking to your guides and your angels about this. okay? Let's pull some oracle here. All right, what else do we have for Aries here regarding love and the person that they are connecting with? First chakra, Archangel Michael. So there is some blockages here. There is some trauma surrounding this. And I feel like, you know, you are addressing this trauma here because moving forward, there is blossoming abundance. There is going to be abundance coming towards you. Yeah, door to value. I feel like doors are opening up for you regarding opportunities, perhaps in career and money. Perhaps this person was blocking your success in life. What else do we have for Aries? Stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance, okay? So I feel like, you know, I feel like you're going through the motions right now. Yeah, let go of control issues. Allow the situation to unfold naturally. You know, I feel like you're getting over that. You know, I feel like you're moving past that. Maybe at one point you were trying to control the situation or make something happen with this feminine energy. And then I just feel like you're realizing, no, I'm wasting my time. What else do we have for Aries? Yeah, no. And I feel like you know that it's not a good idea to reach out to this person if you ever thought about it. You know, I feel like this is a great opportunity for you to recover from this. And I feel like you're doing it, Aries. I do. What else do we have for Aries? Oh, no. Forgiveness. Forgiving yourself and another will help you move on. You could be in a situation right now of being vulnerable, okay? I feel like you're opening up to a therapist or something like that because we did see the Hierophant, okay? So I feel like you are doing a lot of work to heal right now. All right, what else do we have for Aries here? I don't think I shuffled this one. What else do we have for Aries here? Great fortune. You see, I feel like once you close this door, I feel like great fortune is going to come in for you. New opportunities regarding work, money. You know, I feel like your health suffered through this. And I feel like with adjudication, I do feel like, you know, you are speaking to someone. You are getting advice. You are trying to heal from this. Okay, I do feel like, you know, with bad health and great fortune, I do feel like that's going to start improving regarding your health. Maybe you had a lot of stress and anxiety surrounding this. Maybe you had depression when you were with this person. Because I do feel like this person was really overwhelming, okay? This person was a bit of a nightmare to you. Transitional love. So you're attracting a relationship that serves a transitional role. Could be a perfect pastime. Yeah, so I feel like this relationship was a lesson here for you, okay? So on the bottom of the deck, yeah, divine timing. Maybe this relationship was rushed. Maybe this feminine energy rushed it because there was something in it for them. So Aries, I hope this was helpful. I hope this resonated. If it did, leave a comment down in the comment section below. Share this video, like this video if you haven't done so yet, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I will speak to you guys in the next one. Thanks.